question. Nice to hear a compliment that I have lost weight. Yes, I have, because I've been practicing Iyengar yoga. I've shifted the style of yoga that I was doing. I used to do Ashtanga, and now I'm gone into Iyengar, which is actually very, very tiring, but I'm enjoying it. And yes, there's a lot of size zero. There's diets from Rujita, my dietitian that Rochelle kind of spoke to, and we sat together and we've chalked out all my plans that I've actually followed during the size zero phase. There's also a lot of stuff that I've said, about being a chubby girl and how I really felt being, and I was quite comfortable. And so there's a little tips out there for the chubby chicas, which is actually what the chapter is called. मैं भोपाल में शूटिंग कर रही हूँ, तो इस साल की वैलेंटाइन जो है वो अमित जी और अजय देवगन और प्रकाश झा के साथ होगा. Not bad, but they all three are not bad. नहीं, इस साल वो मुझे गिफ्ट देंगे. इतना बड़ा गिफ्ट तो मैंने अक्टूबर 16 को दे दिया है उसको. मैंने खुद अपने आप को कंप्लीटली बेगम बना दिया है अभी बस. और क्या? He should come and give me a gift. This question I think you should ask Saif. पर अब रेस 2 भी हिट हो गई है, तो I don't think budget होना चाहिए. आपको क्या लगता है?
Okay, you're trying to take out all the secrets from behind the scenes of the book. I'll just say that, as Shobha said, the reason she noticed me is because I have this column that was not so nice to, it was called Beware, and it was not very nice to most film stars. So I think my natural voice would have been slightly more mean, for lack of a better word. And every time I went overboard, Kareena, in our manuscript, would circle it with a red pen and say, "Why are we being mean?" So I think there was a happy balance. She made sure that I didn't go overboard, and I added a little spice to the otherwise politically correct Kareena Kapoor.
Yeah, that's an interesting question, actually. I've not even thought about it. But I don't know. There's going to be no change, because I think I was always quite correctly dressed. I dress according to what the event or the occasion is. But I don't know. I mean, I was always kind of a little princess, if I may say so. And now I'm just Saif's little princess. And I don't think he wants me to change my style or, put on a heavy sari or something, because that's not what he kind of loves me for. And I'm also known as an actor first and then a Begum. But I'm one of its kind. This is the way I want. I would want to wear jeans tonight, but I don't know. They would all kill me that she's in her jeans. No. That's a film with Imran Khan. The film is called Gori Tere Pyar Mein. March में शुरू होगी वो फिल्म. And काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी फिल्म है. पहले जब इमरान के साथ काम किया था, वो एक में और एक तो, it was quite classy and एक soft sweet फिल्म थी. But इस बार काफ़ी धमाल होगा. बहुत ही कमर्शियल फिल्म है. 4-5 आइटम गाने हैं उसमें. तो इसलिए फिल्म की प्रेपरेशन हो रही है. And but उससे पहले मैं भोपाल जाऊंगी, जैसे मैंने कहा. But yeah, I'm very excited about both the films. Well, मुझे लगता है कि करिश्मा काफ़ी स्टाइलिश है. She's born stylish. उनको जब भी देखो, she's always perfectly dressed. बाकी I really don't know. I'm not following anyone, but abroad में, of course, there are so many actresses whom I admire. I admire Meryl Streep a lot. वो काफ़ी stylish है, even though she's much older than all of us. सैफ को 2 घंटा लगता है, मुझे 15 मिनट लगता है. I get irritated with him. I get ready very fast. मैं बहुत जल्दी ready हो जाती हूँ.
There's a very nice line in the book where she talks about Saif's relationship with his shoes. She says he treats his shoes like human beings. And he comes back from wherever he is and makes sure that they're wrapped up gently in paper, put back into their original casing. Whereas she comes and kicks them off at the door, and she loves her shoes like any woman does, but not to that extent. I mean, she prefers human beings.